Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Alpha Trades. How are you? How are you, everyone? How's your trading going on? Today is December 23rd, and once again, I am here to provide a very good trade on BTC. Yesterday, I did one trade which gave a profit of 2500. Um, this is the kind of trade I'm giving. Let me just change the settings here. 23rd. And you are always welcome to join my channel. Here I am, and just doing making some good settings over here. All right, team. So here I am, bringing try to bring one more nice trade, and let's see if we can capture a nice trade today. Uh, so far, we will start to look at BTC in a minute. And let me see, the Steam health looks good. Looks good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. And how are you? How's your trading? How's everyone doing in the market? We are close to end of the year, right? And when we are close to year, it's always good to remember all the memory we live entire year, right? And then we started to think what we have done in entire year to, we have, everyone has their goal in their life. So what work you have done towards that goal to achieve in your life, and that's very important, right, for everyone, right? So that's how things work in the life. We always come closer to our goals every year, and that's how we move in our life. And we always try to struggle in some, some work or any targets or any goal. And few goals which we try to achieve, you know there are basically long term goal and short term goal. So you wanted to achieve those goals with the help of doing lot of hard work, right? So it's not about uh, how much hard work you did. It's about, with the hard work, how much efficiency you able to generate, right, and towards your goal. Okay, so let's go back and start to analyze about BTC, what BTC is doing and what it can do today. So if you look at BTC, Bitcoin, Mr. Bitcoin, what you were doing, risk is short 9200. Again, is this level 15 minutes. We bought one trade here yesterday, and it gives us very good return. And again, today we will try to see where we can get something, like. All right, all right, all right. So let's do our drill. When I say so, drill is something which I always try to do early morning, right? And if we try to look at BTC right over a bigger time frame, which is always 4 hour and daily, right? All we are seeing the BTC struggle on this 94K level. It's been rejected couple of time, and but it wanted to go up, right? So first time we see a good meltdown on BTC up to 80,000. Second time it went up to 94K, and then we see again a small higher low basically. So look at the structure. Lower low, and then this was lower low, and this ended up basically lower high, right? So again BTC is stuck under lower high until unless it is not making higher high, right? I mean, at least above than this high, right? Which is 98,876. Until unless BTC is not crossing this level, BTC cannot be a bullish. BTC cannot be bullish for sure. Okay, so that's important on a longer time frame, like a bigger time frame, right? But now, what we do is we do scalping. Then that does not require a bigger time frame. We can always look BTC in a shorter time frame and try to find out our order block, right? So in 4 hours, what exactly BTC has done? The good thing so far is yes, sell off occurred from 90K, and this sell off got saved at 87,000, right? This is the order block sitting at 45 minutes. Okay, but the bigger level for so this order block has been tapped. This order block started from 80 to 86 has been tapped. So if I go on daily, right, the bigger order block is sitting obviously at 80K, and that has also been tapped. Next order block it's gonna test is 69,344 over day, right? So 4 hour. Okay, this order block has not tapped 76. So this is what I'm keep saying in every stream. I'm coming and try to say that this order block 76,274, this must have to be tapped for BTC. Once this will be tapped, then BTC will go up. And if it is failing here, then we can see 60,000, and this is over 4 hour. So 4 hour levels are very important. 4 hour is the key level, right? And this is a bigger um, this is basically a bigger one, right? So it's a bigger analysis, like it's on a bigger time frames, right? And that's important to understand what market is doing on bigger time frame and the shorter time frame. So obviously the BTC is still bearish until unless BTC is not crossing this 96,000 level and going up, right? So what we can do is try to understand the where our order blocks are sitting. That's very important in the market, right? So all we can do is started looking to the BTC more deeper as we are moving towards our trade. So let's go back to 2 hours and try to see what BTC is doing. Right, you see 85,360 is the level which has been tapped twice. So this order block is not valid. Let's go back to 1 hour, and this order block is sitting on a swing. So from here, this is a bigger swing. This we can play a swing here up to 92,103. So this is tapped once. So BTC is stuck between 88,457 and 87,430. So 1,000 points. BTC has stuck for 1,000 points, right? So we will not see a bigger move unless BTC is sweeping this liquidity and going up. And on the downside, be very careful, because if you are opening long here, so what has the BTC has done, what Bitcoin has done so far, it try to survive the fall, right? And during that fall, it try to make go up and try to make a higher high. And then again BTC came here and it failed, and this was the order block it made, and which has been tapped already once, right? So when it tapped any order block, it means that order block is not valid anymore. So when second fall will come, it will definitely grab the liquidity below this order block. So whoever has opened the position, this will be their stop loss, right? Because that is where the momentum starts. So this is what you need to understand. Wherever the momentum is starting, right? Like this kind of crazy upward momentum, right? That is the point which we have to figure out. That is the point which you have to figure out in the trading. Okay, and that's very important. So once you figure it out, your levels, then you can move further for your trading uh, trades, right? So if we go back to 30 minutes now, let's go back to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, right? And you see, we see this high, it is still surviving over this high low. So if the BTC is not breaking 87K, always look for the long side, right? So do not look for the short side if you are looking for BTC to be survive. If the USD BTC is surviving over 87, if it is 87,000 is breaking, then I will start to think about shorting the BTC. Until that, it will be a lot of traps which will be in the market. Okay, so let's find out our level. So we have these levels. So 88,557 is a short target, and let me see here. So in 4 hours we see a red. So now let's go back to 5 minutes and find out our key levels. So what BTC is doing, it is heading towards this 88,213, right? So it will tap here and then maybe tap here or let it fall, or 87,377. It has not tapped this level. It has not tapped this level. So BTC in the middle, it is heading towards 88,610. So we can open long if the ATC BTC is open open long 87,300, and it is still good. It is still good to open long here. Risky long, risky long over this level 87,700, right? This makes sure that we are short 88 to the 216. So I won't like to open from here. That is a good level, 87,300, right? And then risky long at 87,700. Why risky long here? Because the BTC just came up at this level, and there's a good chances whoever try to entering here, it will just go down, grab this liquidity, and then come back. Okay, good shorting level. Very good shorting level is 88,017. So if it is started to come, right, most of the people has stop loss right over here, but BTC can go up to here. And this is just over 5 minutes. So good shorting level 88,800. So these are the levels which we gonna play. As always, we we draw our levels and then we started to do a trade on these levels, right? So what we can do is wait for the BTC to touch this 87,300 or wait for BTC to go over here for the shorting target. We have both targets mentioned in our in on our chart. So let's see where the BTC is heading. This is what the important levels, key levels in BTC. In the meantime, let's look at gold. What gold is doing, XAU, USD, and just what gold is doing. All right, all right. So let's analyze gold. What exactly gold is doing, right? So um, so as we can see, this is a gold chart over 5 minutes. So if gold is falling over this 44.69, then this is a good level of a gold to buy for the longs. But this will be whenever I mention risky buy, why is a risky buy? Because if that level being tapped and started to go down further, then it has a lot of room, right? So those kind of level in my stream I always mean a risky one, right? And the good levels to buy means there we see a consolidation, and it was a good consolidation, and because of that consolidation those levels become a good level buy, because there are buyers sitting in the market, right? And does not matter if it is risky or a good level, we want to make sure that we always have a stop loss in the market, and that's very important, right? So let's go back to gold. And gold, I can say gold give us target very quick. So if gold is tapping 44.74, it's gonna be a good buy. So good buy long level. Good buy long level is 44.74. Stop loss will be 44.69. Stop loss 44.69. All right. So that's very important, because stop loss is always below the candle, right? So that is what you have to we keep in mind, what exactly you are doing. So this is where the gold is heading. First it will tap this level. We'll see little bit momentum right over here, try to come up. And the gold is making higher high, so higher side we have no idea, but on the lower side, on the short side, we at least have some levels. But as you see the gold coming straight off right over here, there is a chances the gold has to go back and validate these buyers, which is existing at 44 and 31 level. So if you are planning to enter at this particular zone which I have mentioned, goodbye long level, sorry, right? So if you are entering at this level and try to buy from here, then it will be kind of a risky, but it is a good level right now, because it's 84 10 points, and then the target will be above this high 44.97. So gold might try to see 4500 today. All right, so let's see which trades we can capture first. It should be BTC or gold. So I will back in a minute, and let's see. Also, you can join my Discord, which I have mentioned in my stream. All these level I always posted in my, in my Discord channel. So you are always welcome to join. There I posted the levels, targets, what time I get into the, um, into the trades, what time getting out. Every single detail is being posted over there. So you're always welcome to join my Discord channel, and that's not just it, right? I am providing the reason also for entering the trade, and that is very important, right? Because I see a lot of people just says they are buying and they have no reason, right? I mean, they just provide no logic why the trade was open, why the trade was entered. So let's go back and look at, right? So Bitcoin is gold is also coming, right? So let's see. As I said, that level has been tapped already, so it's heading here, and then we will look here how good is its grab, do the liquidity grab, right? So that's very important.